take a look at these ingredients. So I've got some onions there sliced, and here I've got my potatoes. Now my potatoes, I've parboiled them, which means I've put them in water, brought it to the boil and cooked them for just like 2 minutes. So they're slightly on their way. A little bit hard. You can do it completely raw if you want. This just speeds the process up a little bit. I've got some chopped garlic and ginger there. We've got 2 powders today, equal parts, like a teaspoon each of chili powder and turmeric. We've got our cumin seeds. We're going to start with those. Some fresh coriander or cilantro, some fresh chili, and just a little bit of tomato. We're going to throw that in the end, give it a little bit of moisture. Let's go over to the cooker. So we've got a wok, a pot, or whatever you're going to use, and I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you wanted. We're getting that hot. Our cumin seeds, in they go. And just for a few seconds, let them cook. They'll infuse that oil, give it a lovely flavour. Next up, we're going to go with our onions, our garlic and ginger, and our potatoes, which are, like I say, they're quite hard, but just parboiled. Simply, high heat. Let's throw these around in the pan for like 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, there you go, 3 to 4 minutes. Cooking really nicely. Now, depending on how big, obviously, you cut your potatoes, is going to depend on how long they take to cook. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to add our 2 powders. And today, like I say, I'm using equal parts of turmeric and chili powder. You could be putting some cumin powder into this if you wanted. Now stirring all the time now, because I don't want our powders to burn. If they burn, they get very bitter, so keep it moving. I'm going to go again about another 3 to 4 minutes, and then these potatoes are pretty much done, I think. Keep stirring. Looking, smelling amazing. Now what we're going to do, when you feel like you're kind of 2 minutes to go, like i.e. your potatoes are fairly tender, we're now going to get in a little bit of tomato. And like I say, I've sliced mine, you can chop it if you want, and the fresh chili. 2 more minutes stirring, we're pretty much done. Okay, so off goes the heat. And those tomatoes have broken down now, as you can see, or breaking down, and giving us a little bit of moisture in there. So check this for salt now, and obviously make sure that your potatoes are nice and tender. Mine are. Simply cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, in it goes. One final mix, and that's ready to serve. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like, please click that bell icon just below. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.